Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Venmo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in venmo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Venmo website. Now from this homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login page. Now in case you have forgotten your password and you need to reset it, go ahead and enter either your email address, your phone number or your username within the login box and then click on the next button. You will then find the forgot password option. Just click on this button and you will once again be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. Just type in either one of these and click on the submit button and you will be asked to check your inbox or your email. Just check either one of those and you will find the verification code that you can enter within the next screen. After entering this verification code, you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. So just type in your desired new password and then click on the reset button. Then you will be told that your password has successfully been reset. After your password has been reset, you can use this brand new password along with your original email address or phone number to directly sign in to your account and start using Venmo once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.